Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. We're making mini dog treats with just 3 ingredients today with John John. These are one of his favorite treats and we know your dog is going to love them too. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add 130 grams of oat flour and 113 grams of peanut butter. And don't forget to give your little furry friend a lick of peanut butter as they help you in the kitchen. Last, add in 85 grams of raw honey. Mix together with a spatula until a smooth and stiff dough forms. It will feel like Play-Doh in your hands. You want to be sure that you're using organic peanut butter with only 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. You can also use salt-free peanut butter, but a little salt is totally fine for your dog, and this allows us to use the same peanut butter for us that we do for John John. When giving your dog peanut butter, you want to be sure to avoid added sugars, flavors, and especially xylitol, as that is incredibly toxic to dogs. Once the dough is completely mixed, divide it into 6 portions. You can just eyeball this. Roll each portion of dough into a rope that's about 12 inches long. Place the rolled ropes onto a quarter sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper. Then cut them into the desired size pieces. I cut these into about 1 to 2 inch pieces. If you have a very small dog, you can even cut them smaller. I'm using scissors here, but a sharp knife will also work too. Once they're all cut, just make sure they're spaced out evenly on the baking sheet and none are overlapping. Bake for about 15 minutes or until they are golden brown around the edges and dry. Once they're cool, it's time to treat your dog with these amazing organic dog treats that only have 3 ingredients. If you want more organic dog recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.